In this video, we'll be learning how to handle rejection online as a content creator. Yes, it sounds awkward, yes, but that is the truth. You have to prepare your mind to handle some of the things I'm going to be talking about if you want to go into content creation. And one thing you must agree with me there is when it comes to content creation, a larger percentage of what you'll be doing is marketing. Yes, whether digital, social media, or whatsoever form of marketing, email, and the rest of them, content marketing, and the rest of them. That is what a larger position of what you'll be doing as a content creator you'll be doing, except if you are going into freelancing. And even if you are going into freelancing, you will still need to market yourself out there, and you will still come back to content creation, which can be in form of videos, text related, and the rest of them. But the main thing there is, after putting in all your effort, at the end of the day, we end up with low views. Let me go to this particular handle to show you. See my videos that I recorded. Like this particular one, I spent almost about how many hours? I spent like 4 to 5 hours on each of these videos that you are seeing here, but see what is happening. So you can put in all your effort to see that you build the best, to put out the best part of you to improve, but you might end up with something like this. But what happened at the end of the day? Let me show you another one again. If I come here on my Twitter handle, you get to see this one doesn't have much views. But if I come down here continuously, this very one is having about 369 views. But this is the same content here on Twitter, sorry, on TikTok, that is having very low performance, just 37 views. So that is to tell you that some things might not always go 100% the way you want. But the good thing there is, as you explore all those platforms, you get to see that what doesn't work in one, it work in the other. That is why if you are starting, you try to have 2 to 3 social media handles, try to post on each of them. Then you get to see how the system works. The content that doesn't work on Facebook might work on TikTok. The one that doesn't work on TikTok might work on Instagram. Or the same thing. I have a video I posted on Instagram, on Facebook. I was surprised. The content had very good performance on Instagram. I was shocked. Till today, I'm still finding out what exactly happened in that particular instance, which I'm doing more research, and I'm going to make a video in that as you progresses. So as a content creator, you are into mostly marketing yourself, trying to let people know, because the truth there is you're actually moving from an unknown person to a known person now. You want people to know you, you want people to be accepted into the industry, you want people to be accepted on the internet space. These people cut across different lifestyle, different population, different age bracket, different mindsets, and the list is endless. So here are the major challenges you are going to be facing. Don't worry, don't get demoralized. It's the truth. But the good thing there is when you follow what I will be talking in this video, you will be happy you did, and at the end of the day, you are going to be going to a higher height that within the shortest possible time you will be surprised how far you've gone. You're going to be having problem of low views, as I've showed you. Yes, in some platform, and in some platform you will do credibly well. That is how it is. So that is why you need to position yourself in 2 to 3 platforms and study how they work as you post. Identify the timing, the headings, this file size, as I've said in my last video about the content creation model, as well as the algorithm, how the algorithm of each of these platform works. You are going to be having problem of comment. Yes, these comments are the most harmful one that you can ever think of. The positive one that will encourage you, thanks to all those who have given me a lot of beautiful comment in different platforms over the years. You are going to have some negative, nasty ones. Yes, some nasty ones that can make you go back to begin to wonder what exactly is going on. If you should go on your social media handle and delete all the accounts, yes, it's possible. But the good thing there is, when you have such, what do? Turn them. There are features that allow you to hide comments. It doesn't allow comment to stay on your platform. You can either delete them or turn them into hidden mode while you go through that content and review it and become better. Yes, you have to be prepared to learn, because you have to be at your best, because the truth there is it's competition. It's a market that is full of competition. Yes, you have to be your best out there. As you are going through my content and seeing it, what I posted 5 years ago cannot be the same with what I posted 2 years ago, and what I'm posting now cannot be the same with what I'm going to be posting in the next couple of months. Gradual improvement. As you improve, you get better. So for that you are going to have problem of hackers. Yes, this one alone, if you are not careful, can make you delete all your social media handle. Yes, I have a very high profile popular content creator that I've came across of recent, where he was lamenting heavily about how hackers want to make a mess of him. Yes, so much attack on his profile. In short, in a particular video, he was talking about how he even stopped the entire concept of content creation. But the good thing there is, all these things, what will stand you out at the end of the day is your sincerity. Yes, try to be sincere. What is required for people to pay to access from you, let them know. The one that is going to be free, let them know. There is no fast rule about it. That is the truth. Because as you go into this internet space, you are actually going there to provide value, and it is normal for that value you are providing should bring money in return for you. That is the standard, because the entire concept of money is to give you return for your investment, because it is an investment that you are making. So you have to prepare your mind for it. So while you are doing that, ignore all these things, take note of the ones you make correction, and continue to improve on it. So that is how most of these things work, and you need to have a good understanding with this. I believe you have to prepare your mind psychologically. If you see it, don't go back and begin to feel people are after you. Ignore it. It's not really an issue. So you have to be focused, you have to be patient, you have to learn to follow the rules and try to improve yourself. The only thing that makes you stand out at the end of the day is your consistency in improving and giving out that value that people are looking forward to. So that is the main secret about it. So at this point, I believe you really learn what the entire concept of rejection on the internet space. I'm going to show you another one again to tell you how some of these things work. If you are going into the email marketing, I'm going to show you one thing that happened to me now. You can see a red dot here, message blocked. Things like this are normal, so you don't need to worry yourself about it. It's not that everybody hates you, but there are some people that will not connect with what you are doing. Yes, they will never connect. So it's left for you to focus on those that are connecting and ignore those that are not connecting. Yes, the market is big. There are over 1 billion people that comes on this internet place every blessed day. I'm going to show you another one again. When I come to this very stage, you can see you can put in all your effort, and at the end of the day, you are having only very few subscribers, and only maybe for a whole month you are only having 8 views on your content. This is another one again. You can see very low view, very low engagement. If I go to another one again, you can see another one again. With all the effort, you're having only 97 play. It's not even up to 100. Some you might even have 0 views. But as I've said, consistency, continue. It takes just a little effort further that one day you put in. It takes only one content that will boost the entire grip of your entire existence on the internet. That is how interesting the internet is. So you don't need to give up. Go back to that video, review those things I talk about, the content creation model, the understanding the algorithm. These 2 videos are very, very important for you. Pay attention. If you can watch it over and over again, it will really be of help to you. As I've said, look at this, understanding social media platform algorithm. Very, very important. So all the videos are here on the channel. Please take a time, study them. You'll be happy at the end of the day, and you'll be grateful that you came across this particular video at this particular point in time. So catch you in my next video. Thanks once again.